10 collapsing places in the UK. What comes to mind when you hear the phrase 10 collapsing places in the United Kingdom? Towering buildings falling over? Not quite. We're talking about cities that were once thriving centres of industry, tourism, or innovation, but now face unemployment, poor infrastructure, and a struggle to reinvent themselves. While some are trying to bounce back, others seem stuck in a slow-motion decline. In this video, we'll explore 10 UK places fighting for survival, each with its own story of glory and decay. But it's not all doom and gloom. Many of these places also show sparks of hope and community resilience. 10. Doncaster. Doncaster, granted city status in 2022, has long sat on the edge of regional attention. Its proud railway and mining past gave it deep industrial roots. Today, while the town centre struggles with shop closures and unemployment, local pride remains strong. The Doncaster Urban Centre Masterplan aims to revitalise the area with new housing, retail and public spaces. The nearby Yorkshire Wildlife Park is a regional gem, drawing thousands of visitors yearly. Locals are known for their humour and grit, and many still believe Doncaster has what it takes to rise again. 9. Aberdeen. Aberdeen, once the energy capital of Europe, has faced sharp economic shifts as North Sea oil production declined. Yet it still maintains a strong foundation in education and research, thanks to institutions like the University of Aberdeen and Robert Gordon University. The city is also pioneering the transition to green energy, with hydrogen and offshore wind projects gaining momentum. Its rich cultural scene, from the Aberdeen Art Gallery to vibrant festivals, adds colour to its grey granite skyline. The people of Aberdeen remain proud, determined and forward-looking, ready to build the next chapter beyond fossil fuels. 8. Dundee. Dundee's industrial collapse left scars, but it has become a case study in cultural regeneration. The opening of the V&A Dundee brought global attention, and the waterfront is being transformed into a modern cultural quarter. The city has a growing tech scene and a close-knit community of creatives, designers, and developers. Although inequality persists, the spirit of innovation is alive and well, especially among young people. From the Dundee Contemporary Arts Centre to grassroots projects in local estates, the city continues to rewrite its story. Dundee is a city of contrasts, but also of creative resilience. 7. Newport, Wales. Newport's location between Cardiff and Bristol gives it great strategic potential. Once a steel and manufacturing powerhouse, it's now focusing on digital transformation. The city is investing in smart tech and cyber innovation, with new business hubs like the Innovation Station opening to support tech startups. The refurbished Market Hall and expansion of Friars Walk Shopping Centre show a desire to rejuvenate its urban space. While urban decay and crime remain challenges, local initiatives and a proud Welsh identity offer hope. Community-driven regeneration is key, and Newport is slowly finding its footing. 6. Sunderland. Sunderland's decline after the fall of shipbuilding is no secret, but the city is making efforts to evolve. It's home to Nissan's largest European car manufacturing plant, which still provides thousands of jobs. The Riverside Sunderland development promises new homes, green spaces, and business investment. Sunderland University is growing in influence, particularly in the creative industries. Local passion for football, arts, and music runs deep, and community groups are at the heart of neighbourhood renewal. It may be treading water, but Sunderland hasn't stopped swimming. 5. Stoke-on-Trent. Stoke's global fame for pottery still lives on through world-renowned brands like Wedgwood and Emma Bridgewater, the Potteries Museum and Art Gallery, and events like the British Ceramics Biennial celebrate this heritage. While challenges in education and health persist, there's momentum in local entrepreneurship and small-scale urban renewal. The Smithfield district is bringing modern office and living spaces to Hanley, and community pride is strong. Stoke's past may be cracked, but it's far from broken, and its creative spirit remains intact. 4. Hull's City of Culture. 2017 title wasn't just symbolic, It sparked real investment in the arts and brought the city national attention. The Humber Street area has been transformed into a buzzing arts and food district, and Hull's historic Old Town is gaining popularity. The Hull Maritime project is set to restore the city's seafaring legacy. Though wages remain low and deprivation is high, Hull has shown the UK it can tell its own story. Its residents are fiercely proud and deeply rooted in community values. 3. Middlesbrough. Despite high poverty and drug death rates, Middlesbrough is actively seeking renewal. Teesside University has become a hub for education and innovation, and the town has ambitions to lead in clean energy and carbon capture. The Boho Zone supports digital startups and cultural venues like MIMA, Middlesbrough Institute of Modern Art, offer artistic lifelines. The townspeople are known for their humour and fighting spirit, and the regeneration of the town centre is slowly taking shape. Middlesbrough isn't just surviving, it's reimagining what it can be. 2. Blackpool. Blackpool has long been one of Britain's most iconic seaside destinations, but the reality behind the lights is far more complicated. While its golden age as a Victorian holiday resort has passed, millions still visit every year to enjoy the Blackpool Tower, Pleasure Beach, and the world-famous illuminations. This tourist revenue remains a lifeline for the town's economy. Yet, Blackpool consistently ranks among the most deprived towns in England. Issues like substance abuse, poor housing conditions, and low life expectancy are prevalent, particularly in central neighbourhoods. The town also has the highest rate of looked-after children per capita in the UK, a troubling indicator of deep-rooted social problems. Despite these challenges, Blackpool is far from giving up. The Blackpool Central development, a multi-million-pound entertainment complex, aims to transform parts of the promenade. Investments in the Winter Gardens and Blackpool Conference Centre hope to bring business tourism back to the town. Meanwhile, grassroots community groups and mental health outreach programmes are making real differences at the local level. The town's resilience is striking. Beneath the faded glamour lies a community full of humour, heart, and hope. Blackpool is not just surviving, it's fighting to redefine what a seaside town can be in the 21st century. 1. Bradford. Bradford is often overlooked, but this Yorkshire city has a story worth telling. Known historically for its dominance in the wool trade, it was once among the wealthiest cities in Britain. Today, the picture is more complex. Poverty rates are high, especially among children, and many areas face chronic underinvestment. But this isn't the full story. Bradford is also one of the youngest and most ethnically diverse cities in the UK, giving it a cultural vibrancy few other places can match. It holds the title of UNESCO City of Film, and its creative industries are on the rise. Events like the Bradford Literature Festival and Bradford Science Festival are drawing national attention. A wave of regeneration is underway. The long-awaited Bradford Live venue will breathe new life into the old Odeon building. The City Village project aims to revitalise the city centre with new homes, shops, and green spaces. The Darley Street Market is also set to become a new cultural and commercial hub. Bradford isn't without problems, but it has a unique energy, strong communities, and a bold vision. It's not just a city looking back at what it once was, it's a city imagining what it could still become. From forgotten factory towns to fading seaside resorts, these collapsing places in the UK are still standing, thanks to the spirit of their people, their cultural depth, and their potential for change. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation and hope alive. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.